Today, I'm going to cook ampalaya with chicken. And these are all our ingredients. Ampalaya, 1 kilo. Chicken, 500 grams. 1 big tomato. 1 onion. 1 red bell pepper. 40 grams of cashew nuts. 6 cloves of garlic. 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. We'll add 1 liter of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of salt. We will do this to eliminate the bitter taste of ampalaya by soaking it for 30 minutes. Just make sure all ampalaya is soaked well with the water and salt. Then we will set aside and we will prepare our chicken. Add garlic, pepper powder, oyster sauce. Just mix well these ingredients and add our chicken. We will marinate our chicken for 10 to 15 minutes to have a good flavor. Now it's ready, our chicken and our ampalaya. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the onion. Then add our marinated chicken. This marinated chicken, we combine the oyster sauce, garlic, and pepper. So we will just cook this one like 2 minutes. Then we will close for like another 2 minutes. Now we will add the tomato. Just mix well and we will close again for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can see that our chicken is almost cooked. So we have to check our salt. And we have to taste our chicken. It's almost done. We will add our ampalaya or bitter melon. Just mix well. And we will keep this one for like another 3 minutes. We will just mix again and we will check if our ampalaya is cooked. Our ampalaya should not be overcooked, so I keep on testing it. So don't worry about it. So we will close for another 2 minutes. Snatch it cook. You can see our ampalaya, the color of ampalaya. So nice color. So green. Now we will check again. We will check our chicken. Check our ampalaya. We will check our salt. It's just right. So we will add now our red bell pepper. And we will garnish also this with cashew nuts. It's all done. And what a good recipe for ampalaya. We managed to eliminate the bitter taste of ampalaya. What a good recipe for this ampalaya. Really, it's tasty. Try it, guys. Please like, subscribe,